Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2011 BMW 328i. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 230 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include front fog lights, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a leather steering wheel, an outside temperature display, rain-sensing wipers, and remote keyless entry. BMW also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraint, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.